Please welcome President and Chief Executive Officer, HP Inc., Enrique Lores.
Good morning, everybody. That was an inspiring way to start. And I want to start by saying hello to those joining us online and also to everyone here in the HP campus in Palo Alto. Welcome to our second HP Imagine event. Today, it is not just about imagining the future. It is about creating it. It's about taking bold ideas and turning them into reality. And for HP, for all of us in this room, this has never been more important. We are all living through a period of rapid change. And with this change come incredible opportunities, especially opportunities to redefine how we live and how we work. And today, we are going to focus on the future of work and the key forces shaping it. We know that expectations of both employees and employers are evolving, resulting in a growing tension. Companies are focused on driving growth, on achieving growth, while employees are looking for both personal and professional fulfillment. And this is unfolding against the backdrop of a changing work environment. In today's world, work models vary from fully remote workspaces to fully in office, from hybrid to flexible. It looks different for every company, depending on the industry, depending on the culture, depending on the business priorities, and in many cases, depending on the country. And we know and we believe that AI is going to play a critical role in this transformation. The changes that we are going to see and we are going to discuss go beyond how we work. They are really going to be impacting our overall relationship with work. Today, we are releasing our Work Relationship Index, and it shows how critical this moment is. The index highlights a key opportunity, and that's bridging the gap between growth and fulfillment. We know that employers want to drive business growth, and they are doing it by fostering more productive and efficient teams. Yet employees want more from their companies. Today, the index shows that only 28% of knowledge workers have a healthy relationship with work. In fact, majority of these workers expect more from their workplace experience. They want their unique needs met, and that includes the equipment and the technology they get. And when we ask them, only 27% of them say they consistently get the tools and equipment to make their job successful, for them to be successful. That's the opportunity that we see ahead of us. The good news is that both employers and employees realize things need to change. And it is clear that companies must evolve because the old one-size-fits-all model of providing equipment to employees is not valid anymore. This needs to change. And now our commitment is that we will help our customers to provide the tools that they need to succeed in this new world. With our AI-enhanced portfolio, we will unlock even greater levels of productivity and personalization. Because AI does more than just streamline tasks. It helps create more engaging work experiences tailored to the individual. This is why it will have such an impact in fulfillment. In fact, even today, our index found that most people using AI have already found it makes their jobs easier, more enjoyable, and believe it will even help them advance their careers. And now is the time to create better work experiences for everyone. To deliver on this future, we are going to double down on our commercial business, which represents a large and growing market estimated at more than $400 billion. And with a strong history of innovation and unparalleled breadth and depth of solutions, and the trust we have built over 8 decades, we are uniquely positioned to lead in this new era. And that's why we are on a mission to help companies equip their workforces in 3 different ways. First, we are going to be building platforms with AI-powered insights and automation. Second, we are going to deliver smart technologies that enable personalized experiences. And third, we will create the best collaborative team experiences. Let me share more about the new innovations we are creating and that we will be sharing with all of you today. I will start with how we are empowering CIOs with AI-enabled platforms. I am particularly excited about how our Workforce Experience platform is providing meaningful data and insights to our customers. It is helping companies reduce the burden on IT support teams and dramatically boost employee productivity. Customers are using its predictive analytics and advanced automation to manage more than 270,000 devices. Second, we are enabling people to do their best work with incredible smart technology that enables personalized experiences. And a great example is our new Omnibook Ultra AI PC. It is the most powerful and secure next-gen AI PC, enabling up to 55 TOPS of NPU performance. And this means that customers will be able to quickly analyze internal documents, transcribe and summarize confidential meetings, and create personalized content faster. And all of this work will be done locally at the edge. Our thoughtfully designed AI and engineered AI PCs leverage the latest technologies from our partners like AMD, Intel, and Qualcomm. From office workers to freelancers, our AI PCs will transform skill sets, unleash creativity, and free up time for more fulfilling work. That's the essence of the change. And we will not only be talking about PCs, we are going to be also talking about how AI is going to be transforming print experiences. In print, we are incorporating AI to create a hassle-free, seamless experience that learns exactly how you like to print, even if you send the wrong information to the printer. Finally, we are going to be creating new collaborative team experiences that use AI to remove the distance between digital and physical workflows. And this goes beyond just connecting. Our experiences bring people closer together, regardless of where they are. And of course, as we will do with the rest of the equipment, we are also going to be managing these spaces. So IT managers can focus on transforming their digital companies, not in maintaining their systems. Using AI-enabled devices in the workplace will be among the first interactions most people will have with AI. And as they will become familiar with that, over time, they will apply that also to their personal lives. With the broadest portfolio of solutions in personal systems, printing, collaboration systems, and accessories and services, no one is better positioned to put the benefits of AI in the hands of our customers than HP. In this new era, as we move away from a one-size-fits-all approach, we are working with industry-leading partners. We are co-engineering across our ecosystem to provide groundbreaking experiences. Through collaboration with our silicon and software partners, we will equip employees across the globe with the tools they need to do their best work. As one of the world's most trusted companies, we will do all this ethically, responsibly, and securely, so you can feel confident exploring the new world of AI. I want to close by saying a big thank you to all of you for being here and also those joining virtually. Starting with HP Way more than 80 years ago, we have regularly contributed to redefine the relationship between people and work. And I am incredibly proud of the work that the team has done to integrate technology into our portfolio to really make the future of work a reality. Because ultimately, our goal is to making the future of work really work, truly work for everyone. So let's get started. And to lead us, I'd like to invite Annalise Olson on stage to share some of the conclusions of our Work Relationship Index work. Annalise?
Thank you, Enrique. I'm Annalise Olson, Senior Vice President and Managing Director of North America here at HP. And as Enrique said, we are focused on becoming a company that is all about the future of work. For us, this means delivering experiences that address our customers' biggest challenges and ultimately to help make the future of work a reality. This all starts with understanding people's relationships with work, and that is why we launched the Work Relationship Index in 2023. Last year's results told us that the world's relationship with work was not healthy, with only 28% of respondents having a healthy relationship with their work. This year, though, we surveyed nearly 16,000 professionals across 12 countries with the goal to better understand how their relationship of work could be improved. Now, what we found is that relationship is still not healthy, unfortunately, with only a 1-point improvement since 2023. But we also learned that people with the right tools and technology have a healthier relationship with their work. So let me share some of the key findings. First, knowledge workers were very clear. 67% are looking for more personalized work. They want access to tools and technology that fit their unique needs, a huge majority here. They also want access to training that is personal to their role and their learning style. 69% want that. They also want the ability ultimately to work the way that they want. We're also seeing that people are leaning into AI to unlock more personalized and customized work experiences. And in fact, the number of people using AI at work has almost doubled just in the last year. For those using AI, an important piece here that we're seeing as a trend, 70% are using AI then to customize their work and drive productivity for a better work experience for their day-to-day activities. And we're seeing this, we are seeing these benefits at HP as well with tools like CRM and virtual assistants for our sales force. Obviously Microsoft Copilot, but also other HP AI IT support tools. How we do investor relations analysis, how we do customer RFPs and translation at the push of a button. These are tools that are taking significant time out of the process, reducing things from days and hours down to merely minutes. Now, the report also shows that AI tools are making people's jobs easier and creating more opportunities for them to enjoy their work. We've learned that 3/4 of knowledge workers surveyed agreed that they have a better understanding of AI, and when they do, it makes it easier and helps them advance their careers. In fact, their fulfillment at work becomes greater. And the more they use AI, the bigger the benefits they see. The people who use AI daily or even just weekly, they believe that AI is making their jobs better. And that's 9 points above those who do not use AI. On the flip side, the less that people use AI, they're more fearful of it. And what this tells us is that leaning into technology and tools like AI will have a profound impact on how we approach the future of work and how companies enable their workforces. As leaders in technology, we have an important role in supporting our customers on their future of work journeys. And most importantly, we need to meet them where they are on that journey to help them make the right decisions, the right impacts for their teams and their employees at the right time. For example, we can see that our customers are at various stages on this continuum where you can gauge based even on the job titles of those who are guiding technology tool choices at companies today. On one end, we see a vice president of workplace productivity or a head of employee experience. On the other end, it's a vice president of IT or a head of procurement. These varying job titles can signal what our customers are evaluating in terms of outcomes, many with an eye now to the future. And this is just a glimpse of what we've learned. I encourage you to check out the full report at hp.com. You'll hear more throughout the day right here from this stage, starting with Alex Cho. So with that, please join me in welcoming Alex. Thank you.
From this day forward, personal computing will never be the same again.
Knock 'em over one by one.
The future of work is here. One that lets us work the way we want and is being powered by HP AI Computing, which is making AI experiences real.
All eyes on me.
Today, these PCs running AI apps are personal assistants, a team of research analysts, the design agency turning ideas into art and video. They make us look our best on calls, collaborate effortlessly, experience real-time translation regardless of language, and do it all worry-free. AI enhances our skills and confidence. It gives us back time to do the work we love most, the kind that creates growth and personal fulfillment.
All eyes on me.
And we are just getting started.
I've got the rising power. I've got what you need.
This is the future of work, powered by HP.
All eyes on me.
Please welcome President of Personal Systems, HP Inc., Alex Cho.
Good morning. It's great to see all of you. Well, it's just a year ago that we were here, literally this place, to talk about our ambition around AI. And wow, what a difference just a year makes. We said we're just starting a journey, and we have done so much in a year, but we're just getting started. Let me tell you about a personal story. It's actually 1 year since my son started med school. I actually was with him this past weekend. And he said something really interesting to me that I thought, oh, that's kind of similar. He said, it's so great to be done with 1 year when all of his hopes for school, he could finally be in it, and he's already making what he had dreamed about real. He's actually in it. And I'll tell you, after a year, we are in it. We are here to make AI real, and we couldn't be more excited. We're going to share with you a lot of information, but I hope what you get out of today is to see the innovation and the passion and the contribution that this is going to make, particularly in the area of work, which is what we're all here at HP to reinvent together. We're witnessing a powerful revolution as AI dramatically transforms the entire landscape of computing. And you've heard from Annalise and from Enrique two megatrends, AI and flexible work. They're reshaping what companies and employees expect from the workplace. I thought it was so interesting that WRI studied that 2 of the top 3 drivers for a healthy employee-work relationship, confidence in having the right skills to succeed, and the belief that their company is choosing the right technology to support hybrid work. It also shows that people who regularly use AI do better. In fact, their relationship with work improves as much as 11 points over non-AI users. And I'm repeating that because that grounds our passion, that fuels what we're doing. We are here and set to transform the future of work by creating experiences that empower people to build, access, and experience AI in powerful new ways. And guess what? No one can do this like HP. Because of the breadth of our portfolio spanning PCs, displays, docking systems, meeting room solutions, printers, workplace services, these are an integral part of the daily life of an employee. And I like to think of it this way. No one spends more time with an employee than HP because of the breadth of those solutions. And our vision with all of that portfolio is very clear. We aim to be the leader in workplace innovation, delivering technology and solutions that enable employee growth and fulfillment in an increasingly hybrid and AI-driven world. So we're just getting started, but now it's becoming real and exciting. Today, I'm here to talk about 3 big waves of innovation that we are launching and excited to unleash for the world. First, how we are transforming the way companies build and use AI in their enterprise. Secondly, it's about how we are transforming the way work gets done through new experiences only done on an AI PC, and I underscore the only. And third, how we are transforming workspaces by bringing AI to every place. So let me just get started on this. First, what is happening in every company that you know of around the world? They are all racing to build and customize AI models behind their firewall, tailored for their own company processes. Data science. Yes, data science is a rapidly growing field, but data scientists face key challenges. Fragmented tools make it very complex to build AI models. Their data is in multiple locations. It's hard to work across environments. It's hard to work across teams and collaborate. And, this is interesting, constrained compute resources that slow down progress. 50% of all AI development processes are bottlenecked by compute. We are leading in this space by delivering experiences that address these key challenges. First, we enable AI developers to have all the tools and frameworks available in one place. They can create shared projects in minutes, connect to all of their data sets, and they can invite collaborators to join with them in just 2 clicks. For those of you here, you'll see the demo in our CWC. Just like how shared docs change document collaboration, this is really a transformational experience for model creation in making it simple, flexible, and collaborative. We deliver this through our AI Creation Center, a breakthrough AI development solution that leverages the power of our HP workstations and proprietary AI Studio software. And second, we shared with you only recently the integration of trust frameworks so that you can detect bias and hallucinations as well as drift. This, as you know, is a major concern and area of focus around AI model development. Think, if you're working for a marketing company and you're developing an AI-powered virtual assistant to build marketing campaigns, our solution ensures that the output of your AI models addresses hallucinations. We deliver this through our HP Gen AI Lab, which we introduced just this past summer. We are innovating fast. Just keep up with us because there's a lot coming out from the HP Innovation Engine. And this is the only trust-integrated AI model development platform out there. So we are innovating and we are leading. And today, we are addressing one of the largest issues in data science, constrained resources, particularly, yes, GPUs. No guessing, everyone knows that. One of the ironic realities, though, is that at the company level, GPU resource utilization is only at around 25 to 25%. So that is a huge opportunity to increase productivity. And today, I am extremely excited to introduce HP Boost. We're enabling every HP workstation to host its GPUs for leverage across the enterprise. That is game-changing. It's the world's first and only solution for on-demand GPUs, turning the workstation into a shareable resource. Imagine the ability to search across your company, to share and leverage GPUs to help you run your AI development workflow on your workstation. Don't need to imagine. It's a reality starting today. Some of our teams, in fact, here at HP have already started to use this, and they are getting up to 700% on-demand compute acceleration and allows them to manage larger data sets. If you are into the world of AI model development, if you are trying to leverage AI for company productivity enhancements, which is every company out there, this is a game changer for them. We are setting the benchmark around this. We're leading the industry, and it's all about changing that experience for the data scientists, because they are the ones who are making AI real for companies. A huge opportunity, as you know, a growing opportunity, as you know, and a place where we at HP are changing the game and so excited about what this means for the future. Now, let's turn to our favorite topic. In addition to changing how companies build AI models, we actually care about how people get work done through AI. In fact, we talk about innovation, we talk about devices, solution, software, and services. What we're really passionate about most is about people and what they do and how they work. And this starts by unlocking a whole new set of AI-driven productivity, giving people access to cutting-edge AI applications from a growing number of ISVs. These new AI applications are capitalizing on the AI to run faster, more cost-effectively, and importantly, privately and securely on their device locally. And we're going to showcase to you more of these later today because it's so important that you're grounded on the use cases. Remember, this past year, it's not about speeds and feeds, it's about use cases. It's about what people can do. It's about how we change their experience. And this is powerful because it's changing the day and the life of an employee. When we say we are about the future of work, we're about employees, workers, people. And when we talk about the AI PC, it's about changing how their day it gets impacted because of these new experiences. Take a look.
I manage a very technical team of data analysts and data scientists. The ones that are the most productive, the ones that are the most successful, are the ones who augment their daily workflow with technology, and AI specifically.
I run a couple of businesses. One is digital marketing, Facebook ads, Hulu ads, Google ads, things like that.
I am a freelancer. A lot of video production, motion graphic design.
Let's start with causal impact. So this is one of the most common analyses that I run basically on a daily basis. So as this is loading, are there other features that we can take a look at, or is this something that, oh, it actually finished. That was fast. And this actually looks pretty close to the SOP that I created to share with business stakeholders, so it's kind of interesting. This is insane. It took all three of my files and summarized them very succinctly and honestly perfectly in about 3 seconds. This is really exciting.
So the images that have come up are really nice and looks really clean. Interesting, it's got the 3 major sizes that I tend to need for social media content. The general layouts are nice. In the colors, it's definitely something that I would use. This is nice.
Hey Alonso, good to see you. I sent over that video last week. Did you have a chance to check it out? Do you have any feedback?
Sí, me llegó el video y me gustó mucho. De hecho, yo quiero platicar.
It's a super powerful tool because it really opens up an entire world of clientele that I would otherwise not be able to access.
El martes, ¿te parece?
I am available Tuesday.
Final thoughts, I think this is something that, I've seen talked about a lot. To see it in action today and have my hands on it was just unbelievably exciting.
I would be able to have way more time to do the things that I actually enjoy doing.
Which is the goal. More time with humans, less time with the laptop.
I need one of those today. I want to take it home with me. And I want to see if you have 15 in the back for the rest of my team.
I love that because Yeah, there's great products, there's great technology, but as you see, we're changing people's work lives. And as you see that we're doing that through enabling them to access AI and to spend more time doing what they love. That's how this is all connected. An AI PC is like having a team of experts supporting you and right at your fingertips. I love that characterization by an increasing group of people who are using AI. Think about a team of people available for you to summarize, research, create, synthesize, to as well coach you, all just for you. That's why it's personalized. One of the areas that I particularly like are the use cases on our new AI PCs is that it gives me a private research assistant. A private research assistant. As someone who spends most of my day in business reviews, I get sent pre-reads in PDF form. And in fact, in general, they're quite long. Now with my AI PC, I create a local library with these documents, and my AI PC is available for me to summarize, research, ask questions. It allows me to do my job better. It allows me to be better at contributing. What a huge opportunity we have to enable people to be better in their roles. That's why this is so exciting. And by the way, we deliver this through what we call AI Companion. Today, we're taking the next step in this to the ability to access it by speaking to it. We're talking about the PC becoming more personal. Speaking to it is that next level of personalization. So we're not just talking about PCs. This is not just another year of new products. This is about the AI PC. This is about a new generation of experiences. And today, I want to talk about our groundbreaking additions to the AI PC fleet. We're unlocking the ability for people to run new AI experiences through the fastest, most versatile, and secure AI PCs in the industry. Let me start with the OmniBook Ultra Flip. People are telling us that they need technology that fits their work style. As an example, freelance creators, they want flexibility in their editing tools because they work independently. They work from multiple locations. And they're seeing that AI tools are great, but they need to be able to use that in a more flexible form factors. I hear this from my customers, but you know what? I also hear this from my daughter. She's a graphic designer, a freelancer now. There's the 4 C's that I hear from her. 1 is I have to connect to clients. 2 is she's creating her own contracts. She reviewed it with me last weekend. 3rd is she's creating on her own. The 4th C that I thought was interesting from her is coffee house, because she works from home, she works at coffee houses. She needs the ability to use AI tools to look better for her clients, to be able to create and do that from anywhere. That's why we created the OmniBook Ultra Flip. It delivers new AI experiences with the most flexibility in our lineup. It's really the perfect device for this next generation of workers. We've designed this from the ground up, enabling people to work and create with AI in multiple ways. No one really does a 360 better than HP. But it's not about the device, it's about the experience, it's about AI, it's about enabling people to do new things and bringing, again, a host of professionals to help you do your work. Summarize, research, create, synthesize, show up, get coached as you are presenting. We're going to show you more of these in use case form, but that's why this is so exciting for us, and we think exciting and meaningful for the working world. Second, we're introducing the EliteBook X, the newest addition to our AI PC portfolio for business. We recognize that AI applications are raising the bar for performance. And this is especially true for jobs like consultants and business analysts who are starting to use AI to sift through their research, build complex data models, draft reports, and create executive presentations. All require not just more performance, but AI performance. And that's where the EliteBook X steps in. It is the world's most powerful next-generation AI notebook for business. It delivers the industry's highest AI performance. And as well, we've integrated in an innovative high-speed memory architecture. That sounds like speeds and feeds. Let me tell you about what that means. That means when you're working with multiple AI applications at the same time, there's no other device out there that runs faster. And when you are working, you care about being productive, you care about not waiting, you care about getting the best in AI performance. We are raising the bar on AI performance. We're also raising the bar in delivering security on our AI PCs. In the era of AI, as you all know, security is even more important. There's a lot more things to protect and cover, especially in a hybrid work environment. And this is where our industry-leading Wolf security platform stands out, second to none. It's integrated into our AI PCs to solve real customer problems. First, it protects against newly emerging threats. Unfortunately, there are new types of threats that are emerging. As cyber criminals leverage AI to amplify social engineering attacks, our Wolf isolation technology provides unique protection against these AI-powered attacks, including phishing, which is continuing to grow. Secondly, it enhances your device's performance. Wait, how does that fit in? It's because security measures often slow down the device, but we're addressing that. We offload key capabilities like our improved credential protection to the NPU, enabling better security without impacting your AI performance. That is a very practical impact and benefit on our device. And finally, it supports business continuity and disaster recovery. Our unique Sure Recover feature enables companies to restore their PC fleet at scale in the event of a cyber attack, yes, and also, as we have found out, useful if you happen to have a global tech outage due to scripts running on your device that weren't intended to be there. Only HP, Sure Recover, only through what we can do through the leadership we have in our security platform. I couldn't be more excited about this new era of devices, again, because it gives workers the ability to do new things, do them better, and to be more secured. Now, our ambition is not just bringing AI to companies, as I talked about, and we're changing the game there. Our ambition is not just to bring it to people through these AI PCs, but also to workspaces. One area where our AI technology is making a real impact is in meetings, improving the video conferencing that people rely on daily. And that makes a big difference, particularly if you're the person not in the room and dialing in. Many people call it that bowling alley view, when you are able to see everyone, but everyone looks very small and you can't really tell what's going on. I'll tell you an interesting thing that still makes me laugh here at HP. Often, we get into a room and there's many people there, but we have remote people dialing in, and so we decide to go back to our laptops individually so that everyone can be seen. That kind of makes me laugh, but that also surfaces a huge opportunity that AI makes, because now through our AI director, we're able to allow people to be in the room together and for remote participants to see each person equally so that no one gets lost. That's the power of AI. We elevate people so that people work better, people connect better. Just an example of how we are bringing AI not only to companies, not only to just their devices, but also to their spaces. Today, we're announcing an expanded portfolio of premium video room solutions. And how do you think of these? And we have them, some of these up here on stage. Oh, we did? We are bringing AI to rooms, large rooms, medium rooms, and small rooms through the world's largest portfolio of video room solutions. So we're transforming how companies work, we're transforming how people work, and we're transforming how spaces are useful for people in the workplace. One more. Today, we're taking this to the next level. It is true that all of these video conferencing applications are very efficient, but I'll tell you, they're not always as effective in helping people to connect, and it's all about helping people connect. Remember the first time you switched from an audio call to a video call? I remember the impact of seeing faces, expressions, nuances that you couldn't just get from audio. Now imagine taking the current video experience several notches higher so that we allow people to really feel connected. That's the experience that we will bring AI to help enable. Take a look.
I think it's so groovy now that people are finally getting together. Think it's wonderful now that people are finally getting together.
Oh my
I
gosh.
think it's so groovy now that people are finally getting together. Think it's wonderful now that people are finally getting together.
That's the operative word now that we have in our product management team. Hard to describe, the oh my gosh experience. That's what we're doing with AI. We're delivering the oh my gosh experience because this immersive experience is different from anything else that you've experienced before. It really makes you feel like you're connected. We're leveraging the power of AI to create a breakthrough communications platform and solution that delivers more meaningful interaction. It makes you feel connected, more present. It makes you feel like you are really meeting with someone else. We know from our customers that this will be a transformative solution because interactions might be efficient, but what people want is to be authentically connected and to understand and feel understood. And this technology brings it in a way that nothing else has to date. And so we're tremendously excited about this. With HP's innovation and collaboration and computing, coupled with our services capabilities, we're getting ready to deliver this transformative experiences to the enterprise. We're partnering with Google in bringing this amazing solution to the workplace this next year. So we are raising the bar again. So let me recap. I did a lot, but I can recap it in 3. It's always about 3. We are transforming the future of work. First, how companies build and use AI, changing the game. We're building a solution for AI model development. And today we've announced that we are reinventing how we think about and deliver value through that workstation through sharing its GPU resources. That's first. Secondly, we are transforming the way people work with AI. Yes, it's the AI PC, but it's even more transforming the day in the life of a product manager, freelancer, business analyst through new AI experiences only done to this level on an HP device. And third, we are transforming every workspace through AI to help people feel connected, more collaborative. It's not just about AI, even though I think I've used that word over 20 times. It's about people enabling them to work better and improve how they experience growth and fulfillment in their daily jobs. We are positioned better than anyone else to go do that. So it's only been a year. It's been a long year, it's been a quick year, but it's been an awesome year. We are innovating. And I'll tell you, in this era of innovation, I love what we're doing because it's now becoming tangible and real. And hopefully you can see that we are not just here to educate you, we're here to show you the experiences and give you a vision of what the future is like and show you what we're creating. Couldn't be more exciting. So thank you very much for joining with us. Up next is Dave Scholl. He's going to share with you about how HP Workforce Solutions is helping companies manage and deliver these new future of work experiences in a way that only HP can do. So Dave.
Thanks, Alex. It's great to be back here at the second annual HP Imagine. You know, I have the pleasure of leading HP's Workforce Solutions team, and my mantra is very, very simple. It's customer, customer, customer. Customer, 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 simple mantra. I meet with customers big and small. And as Enrique shared, the expectations of their employees are changing. They're fundamentally different than they were even a year ago. When you talk to the IT managers, they say AI, security, Windows 11 refreshes, hybrid working, are all driving new demand for solutions. I recently met with the IT leaders of a major pharmaceutical company. This is a company with more than 100,000 employees. They operate in 80 different countries, and they have more than 500 rooms that need management. And their plea was very, very simple. HP, can you just help us manage all of this gear that all of our employees are using all around the world? And so we started off with a simple task, which is, okay, how do we manage the collaboration rooms so that when employees come into the office, they have an amazing experience that is at least as good as what they have at home? That simple engagement has now expanded to how do we manage the PCs? How do we manage the printers? How do we provide insights that allow them to deliver on what their employees need to be as productive and as happy as possible? Our mission is very, very simple. How do we help customers make their workforce a force for growth? Make the workforce a force for growth. You know, HP is uniquely positioned to do this. Think about it for a minute. We are the global leader in all the gear that employees need to be as productive, to be as fulfilled on their jobs as possible. PCs, printers, collaboration gear, only HP provides that full range of employee productivity gear. We have outfitted more than 200 million devices around the world with telemetry so that IT leaders can understand how that gear is being used and have insights into, is my workforce engaged and are my workspaces being used as productively as possible? We manage the life cycle of millions of devices across 170 countries around the world. And we're the trusted partner for more than 10,000 companies already who are looking for workforce solutions to say, how do I manage my employee gear in a productive way? And of course, to scale, we have more than 150,000 partners who reach every corner of the globe. So we're helping our customers transform their environments. And it starts with a very, very simple focus for us, which is it's all about employee experience. It's all about the fulfillment of employees on their jobs, whether they're working at home or in the office. How do we take all the experience that we have across our 10,000 accounts and help our customers design and deploy solutions to meet those employee needs? How do we allow them to either manage and monitor those accounts internally on their own, to use a partner, or to rely on HP for that capability as well? When devices need servicing or support, or they want to extend the life of a device with Renew, how do we provide that solution as well? Fundamentally, across all of this, we're using AI insights and automation that provide real-time capabilities, real-time actions, and solve problems before they arise. So over the last 12 months, we've strengthened, we've simplified our end-to-end offerings, and today I'm going to talk about three things. Number one, talk a little bit more about what is our AI-enhanced IT platform that really provides customer insights into employee experience. Two, some new technology that we're launching that deals with personal support that you as the employee need in a hybrid world. And then three, how do we come in and manage collaborative team experiences so that that experience in the office is at least as good as what you have at home? So let's start off. Number one is our workforce experience platform. Now, we talked about this last year. We're going to talk about kind of how the beta has gone and why we're expanding it today. HP Workforce Experience Platform takes all the telemetry from PCs and printers and collaboration gear, brings it into a single dashboard so that the IT leaders can understand, is my office in Japan being productive? Are my employees in Germany happy? Do I have problems in Brazil that I need to address? And it's sort of the control center to drive growth and fulfillment for the IT managers. The real power is sort of the customer outcomes that we're driving. So far, we have more than 270,000 devices on it. We have Fortune 500 companies using it across medical, automotive, technology. Let me share a few examples. We're using it inside of HP. And we're measuring sort of what problems are we able to solve before they arise for our employees. What problems are we able to solve more quickly because we understand exactly the diagnosis on the PC versus sort of a diagnostic phone call that has to happen. And we estimate that in just the last couple of months, we've saved more than 3.1 million productivity minutes for our employees inside of HP alone. Another customer said, you know what we want to do? We want to look at all of our software stack. And we want to find software entitlements that we shouldn't be paying for because they're actually not being used. And so using Workforce Experience Platform, they're able to go out, look at the software stack and say, okay, these employees are actually not using these software packages. Let's pull back on that. Last couple of months alone, they've saved tens of thousands of dollars. Another company is saying, I've got software apps. Some of them are prone to crashing. Why are they crashing consistently? Is it the software app? Is it the configuration of the devices? Is it the network environment that they're in? And they're able to go in and upgrade the memory if they need to or solve the network issues and make sure that they actually improve the employee sentiment and trust. So feedback has been phenomenal. We've had great response. We've had a lot of customers say, can you please extend this beyond the US? Can you please get it to Europe? Can you please open up what was a private beta into a public beta? And so that's what we're doing this month. Additionally, a lot of customers are saying, okay, we want to get printer management in here right away, so we're turning that on. And then other customers are saying, Dave, we love the dashboard, which you all can see in the demo center, but we really want to make sure that it's integrated into Power BI, Power Automate, Tableau, Microsoft Intune, ServiceNow. So all that is being rolled out as well. So this IT platform is such a fundamental piece of what we're about as a company. It allows us to use AI to really solve employee experience. Now, that's the IT manager. The second challenge is I'm sitting in a Starbucks, or I'm sitting here in HP. And all of a sudden, my device crashes, right? And my day comes to a screeching halt. And I can sit there and I can only drink so many cappuccinos at Starbucks before I get too wired and I need to do something else. So usually, 30 to 35% of the time, a problem on a PC is driven by a software issue. And the problem is if you try to give remote access to that PC for someone to fix it while you're sitting in Starbucks, you usually have to reboot the device. And every time you reboot the device, the individual who's trying to help you remotely loses control of that device. And so it's just not a viable solution. So your best option with a software failure is to ship the PC back to your IT desk and have them fix it and send you a replacement. Meanwhile, you're sitting there in Starbucks drinking cappuccino, no productivity, right? This is a huge frustration for customers. And so we think there is a better way to do this. We think there's a unique way that we're launching November 1. Let me show you how it works with this video. Let's roll the video.
My computer shut down for no reason.
That blue screen of
Wipe
death.
the hard
I
drive.
already tried shutting it off and restarting.
What
do you mean I have to ship my PC to
Password doesn't work.
I have a customer presentation in an hour.
Remote work is great, until it's not. Especially on those fateful days when an employee has to ship their computer back to IT. With so many teams working in so many places, having cutting-edge remote support tools is more important than ever. That's why we've enhanced our world-class hardware support with the industry's most advanced remote remediation technology for PCs. Now, we can diagnose and fix more complicated problems like boot failures, re-imaging, and BIOS issues from anywhere. This groundbreaking HP innovation takes remote service to the next level. HP will fix more problems. Do it faster, and most of it can be done with virtually no employee involvement. And all those PCs that won't boot? Now, HP can solve over half of those events remotely. It all adds up to more fulfilling work experiences and teams that are back up running a lot faster. This is the new era of remote IT support. This is the future of work.
You know, in a hybrid world, this is such a critical issue for employees. And so I'm excited today to announce the first of its kind remote remediation service. And this allows support agents to connect you to your device underneath the BIOS layer, even when you can't boot the machine. So boot failures, imaging, blue screens of death, BIOS issues, that can all now be solved remotely. Our customers are excited about this coming out, and they estimate that this probably saves their recovery time anywhere from 25 to 50%. Of course, in many cases, it could save days over an hour or two of remote access. This is available November 1st for business customers with the new Intel vPro chip. And it's available first in the North America and the EU, and we'll shortly be rolling it out to additional devices and additional geographies as well. So I think this is an important solution for customers when they look at, okay, how do we personalize the support for them, not just for the IT managers. The third topic I want to talk about is collaboration. Collaboration in a complex world of hybrid and AI. And again, I mentioned early on that we have these 10,000 different managed solutions accounts around the world. And customers are saying, HP, can you bring that expertise to us? Can you help us figure the complexity of what we have going on? And we appreciate the tools that you're providing and the dashboards that you're providing. But at some point, we just want to get out of the business of managing all this gear. And we'd love to just kind of hand it over to you. I think based on our years of experience in the space, whether it's the poly space or the PC space or the printer space, there's a lot of capabilities inside of HP. And so we're thrilled to start to launch more of a management and monitoring offering to our customers as well. And I'm going to have Nadia, who's our VP of Solutions, come out here in a minute and talk to you a little bit about how are we solving the effective collaboration issues for our customers. So Nadia, come on out.
Thanks, Dave.
So today, IT managers are feeling the pressure from the explosion of flexible work in AI. At the same time, they are drowning in a sea of support tickets and operational issues. They are so focused on resolving the issues right in front of them that they barely have time to focus on the future. Now, we've talked about how we're giving them tools so that they can manage their own environments, but IT leaders are realizing that they need to focus on transforming, not maintaining IT. They are looking to us to manage their environments so that they can focus their time on driving transformation and growth strategies for their companies. This is why I'm excited to announce a major expansion to our proactive and AI-powered global command centers. We want to help companies get to the future of work, where issues are detected and resolved before employees even notice so that they can do their best work. We have built a common architecture to monitor and remediate problems across PCs, printers, and video conferencing equipment from both HP and third parties. Customers can now get a much better employee experience at a much better cost because we can address issues before they impact users, which prevents expensive calls to the IT help desk or on-site service visits that aren't necessary. Our team is exclusively focused on employee IT, and we are continuously improving what we can see, the issues we can identify, and how we can remediate them automatically. The second solution I want to share with you today is for conference rooms. Alex shared earlier how important it is to equip collaboration spaces in our hybrid world. Well, managing them is now essential to ensure that they work effectively. Sadly, our Work Relationship Index uncovered that only 26% of employees believe that their company's conferencing technology is making them successful. That's not very good. But the good news is that 80% of companies are investing in upgrading their experiences, and 67% of IT teams are making conferencing and collaboration a priority. This is why we launched our Managed Collaboration Service. Let's hear from one of our customers.
30,000 students, 3,000 staff, multi-campus environment. Ulster University are building future leaders. We want to give them access to technology to thrive and to empower. The challenges go back to old infrastructure, high support requirements. Now's the time to start changing technology.
We do like to drive innovation, and that's around selecting a trusted partner.
The university found a 2-week window where we could dismantle the old systems and build the new systems.
Everybody's got that flexibility. When you come into the room, press join. It's just so simple.
A few days later, they said, we've been using it 9 hours a day.
This is a platform of choice that we want. The advanced analytics piece and the additional monitoring capabilities, those remote capabilities are fantastic. We've already had fantastic feedback.
We just need our consumers to have a unified experience where it just works. That's a testament to our colleagues that have actually made it happen.
Ulster University is a great example of the power of our managed collaboration service. Since we piloted this solution last year, we now have it running at HP on over 1,000 conference rooms, as well as at great customers like Ulster University. Customers around the world can now rely on HP to define, design, and deploy an end-to-end managed collaboration experience that ensures that every space is video-enabled and ready to be used. Based on these early successes, we are excited to make it available to customers around the world and transform employee experiences everywhere. Back to you, Dave.
Great stuff, Nadia. So we've covered how are we enabling customers with our AI-enhanced IT platform towards employee experience, towards workforce fulfillment. How are we delivering smart technology that personalizes that support experience so that you're much more productive when you're sitting in the Starbucks? And then Nadia just shared more about how are we enabling collaborative team experiences. So there's so much more that's coming. I'm excited about the innovation at HP. But you know, something that came out of the Work Relationship Index is that the greatest employee satisfaction is really tied to a sense of mission, a sense of purpose that transcends profit. And that's something that HP has stood for decades. And so I'm so proud to make this next announcement as well. Right? Digital equity is a critical issue in the world. And digital equity becomes even more important when you think about AI and the dislocation and the gap that creates social economically as well. And so today we're going to announce a new program called HOPE. And HOPE allows us to take our PCs and to create a second or a third or a fourth life to those PCs, and then to provide them to the underprivileged youth around the world. And this is something that for me is near and dear to my heart. How do I work with the ultra poor and give them that next step up, which a PC enables. So we allow our customers to donate their devices, we take care of the refurbishment, and then we work with partners to match them to the communities that are in need. And as you can see, we've been piloting this program in the EU, the UK, Switzerland, Singapore, India, Mexico, and most recently in Brazil. This is one that I'm proud to see sustainability come together with business, come together with extending the life of our devices. I hope you can see how excited we are at HP about helping our customers drive growth and fulfillment with services and solutions. So, next up is print. Tuan's going to talk about some of the AI magic that he's created in the world of print. But to kick us off, let's hand it over to a video first.
Rumor has it, in a digital world, there's no place for print. But look around. Print is everywhere. It helps us focus and learn better. It makes work work. We need it to create, communicate, and express ourselves. Print is essential for so much of what we make, from memories to manuscripts, real estate sales to science projects. And only print has that crazy superpower of taking what's in our heads and putting it in our hands. And no one harnesses the full power of print quite like HP. We make the blueprints and the site print, the doctor forms and medical breakthroughs, wall posters and wallpaper, sports prints and the souls of heroes. You see, the world really does need print. That's why we sweat every detail, every pixel, every particle, and we do it all sustainably, giving more back to forests than we take. This is today's world of print, powered by HP. A portfolio unlike any other, now even stronger with AI. Built for the future, built to transform, built to win. By the world's #1 printer company.
Please welcome President Imaging, Printing, and Solutions, HP Inc., Tuan Tran.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys doing? I'm the last speaker of the day, so I need energy, guys. I need energy. So great to have that introduction video. I love that video. It is a great reminder that the world does need print. It's how we preserve family memories. It's how we boost team collaboration. It's how we actually bring our imagination to life. So very, very important. But I want to start with print sometimes is a little bit hard. The process can be painful. I hear that feedback a lot. I hear that feedback from my friends. I hear feedback from my family a lot of times when they call me up and said, hey, Tuan, what's wrong with this printer? And I hear that sometimes from our customers. And sometimes it's in the most unlikely of places. I want to share with you and start the video today with an unlikely place where I've heard feedback around print. I'm going to set it up for you a little bit. This is actually a Wall Street Journal interview with Google, who's down the street, about a month ago, where they launched their huge, if you guys were there, the Pixel 9 XL, the whole, Gemini AI launch. And this, when someone sent it to me, I thought, man, this is the world of AI. This has got one of those deep fake things. People are talking, but is that what they're really talking about? So I want to play the video, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I'll let you guys take a look.
Would you consider a made by Google printer?
I don't know. We haven't thought about that one. It's a little bit maybe further afield from where we are now. But is there any reason why you'd want a printer from us?
The most frustrating tech in my life is usually a printer.
Actually, that's a really good point. It is really difficult.
But if AI can solve any problem, I
Maybe
feel like
finding
it's
your printer.
printers.
Printing.
Yes.
That's the future.
Will you take this back to the team?
I will. We'll immediately start working on this.
Imagine it. You would talk to the printer would say back to you, I have a paper jam and I need you to go open this part and do this thing, or...
That would be really nice. I've spent a lot of time once a year when I print something, trying to figure out how to fix the paper jam.
Do I seem like one person that prints once a year?
So big round of applause for Rick. He's out there. He was a great sport. The look on his face. Printer? Printer, Google printer. So all seriousness though, guys, all seriousness. It is something that keeps us up at night. How our customers struggle with our tech. We know we can do better. You've heard from my colleagues today about how we're using AI to enable better customer experiences across HP. In print, we believe by deeply integrating AI into our products and into our solutions, we can deliver a better printing experience for our customers. So today, what I'm going to share with you is we're taking the first steps towards this vision. And so I want to frame my whole conversation about how we're integrating AI to build a better experiences. And so Joanna, Rick, we're listening. We hear you. We've got you. And we're going to use AI to change the way the world prints. Okay? So starting today, throughout 25, we're introducing a new suite of generative AI solutions to transform the printing journey for our customers, making it easier, more personalized, more collaborative, and of course, doing it with all the security and privacy that you would expect from solutions for HP. We want to weave these AI experiences into our products and solutions in the home, in the office, and in industrial graphics space. And I'll share with you some of that today, okay? So let's jump right in. First, in the home, it's all about convenience. We've heard that over and over again, convenience, ease of use. That's why our smart tanks are taking traction in the marketplace. We launched those last year. That's why our HP All-In plan is super attractive to customers because they get everything they need in one package with one subscription for their ink and their paper. And now we're taking AI one step further. We're going to make it easy for our customers to get the perfect print every time. We know this is a major pain point. What you format on the screen doesn't always translate like what you think it would on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Believe it or not, the printer, it's doing exactly what it was told to do. The operating system, the application, HTML, it says, hey, print this the way. They're sending commands to the printer. We're executing the commands, even though they're not perfect. This is true for everybody in the industry. But now with HP Print AI, we aspire to change that. Instead of printing what we're asked, our AI knows what good output looks like. We're going to give you choices to help you get the output you really, really want and what you intended to print. So if you're cooking your favorite dinner and you need to double check the recipe, of course you don't want all the ads and graphics 10 pages. You want one page that's got all your recipe stuff so it's easy to refer to. Maybe you're rushing to a meeting and you got to print an Excel spreadsheet, and that, you forgot to set the, set print area in Excel. Anyone ever done that? Your Excel spreadsheet sends to your printer. It's like 15 pages. The tables googly gosh all over the place. Obviously, you don't want your tables across 15 pages. We know that. We can do better than that. And so we're going to look at that and we're going to say, hey, you should be formatting one page because that's what the table makes sense. Our AI models can even take it one step further. We want to anticipate what you need. If you're printing out a table without a title, we should tell you, hey, dude, you should put a title. It doesn't make any sense. What is this table about? The perfect output is available today as part of beta, so you can download the beta. We'll look at make it available for our new shipping printers, and we'll roll it into our install base over time, depending on the printer's capabilities. But perfect output is just one example. We know there are many challenges with the printing experience that can benefit from AI, from setup to use to support. Next year, you can expect us to introduce more AI solutions that enhance these experiences. But we don't want to just stop there. We don't want to just solve the basic problems of printing. We aspire to actually unlock your creativity with printing. We all want to do more creative projects at home. I want to print my kids' photos, playing basketball, doing the layup. I want to have that hung on my wall. I want greeting cards. I want all those things. But sometimes the path from imagination to output is fraught with challenges. You need the right content, you need the right quality, you need the right media, all in a solution that's easy to use. So today, we're launching our newest generation of NB printers over here. It's going to set a new standard for ease of use and a new standard for home printing. We actually have this printer, and you'll see it here, wonderful picture, which you can print at home, but people don't because it's hard to do. With our unique true-to-screen technology, you should take a look at this. We actually have new color maps in this printer. Those new color maps give you a wider gamut of colors. So what you see on the screen, that color map, is what the color maps most phone vendors use on screen. You ever wonder why the phones look so vibrant and so bright? Those colors are new color maps, and we've actually put those color maps inside our printer, so they have wider gamut. In addition, the NV6100 also gives you two-sided printing, and you can do greeting cards and other creative projects, and Mary will come and talk about that a little bit. So we've also changed, and as part of this product, we're actually launch a new HP app. This app now is powered with AI to take your creativity to the next level. Launching this spring, the new HP app will be your go-to destination to manage all your HP devices, access the latest AI capabilities, and supercharge your creativity. I'd like to invite my colleague, Mary Fish, on stage to give you a taste of what this new app looks like. Mary, come on up.
Thank you, Tuan. I'm thrilled to be here. Now, for you planners in the room, and you know who you are, the ones who already know where you'll be at Thanksgiving or have started your holiday shopping, I've got something for you. Oh, and for you normal people in the room, the ones that are still trying to figure out where summer went, I've got something for you too. Planner or procrastinator, with HP Print AI, we're going to turn I forgot it into I got this, enabling you to create something fun, memorable, and one of a kind, combining creativity and convenience all in one place. Sounds pretty good, right? All right, I was gonna say, I'm gonna ask questions, you'll give me answers, and we'll have a little fun. Deal? Okay, so naturally, I fall into camp number 2. While some would say procrastinator, I prefer parental agilist. Either way, here's the highly likely scenario. It's right before the holidays, and between remembering to move that elf and now it's Fox and Dog Friend 2, binging on my favorite Home Alone and Die Hard movie marathon, and ordering the best Chinese food to impress my friends and family with my home cooking, I forgot to buy a gift for my son's teacher, and it's the night before school break. Whoops, guess what? HP's got me covered. Now, my sister is a teacher, so I've got the inside scoop on what teachers really want. Any guesses? Cold, hard cash. You nailed it, okay? But they'll settle for gift cards. Okay, HP, let's get this done. From your beloved HP app, simply select the print card tile. As you can see here, there are a variety of styles and options to choose from. Today, I say we create a postcard. And naturally, I want to make it personal and fun and really show that I care. You know, the night before gift-giving scramble type of care. Easy. With HP Print AI, just use natural language and type what you want to create. Today, it's a holiday card for my son's first grade teacher, Mrs. Chalmers. Next, select your favorite photo. In this case, it's a recent one from our vacation. As you can see here, we provide intelligent recommendations. Here we have a traditional card, but that's not necessarily my style. We have an illustration, which is adorable, but humorous. Now you're talking my love language, and we've got a winner. Next, let's add a message. But let's not work too hard. I need to save my creative energy to move that elf later tonight. Chat with our intelligent agent and give it an idea of what you'd like to do. In this case, let's make it fun. Okay, now that is fun. Merry Fishmas and a hook of a new year. Get it? Fishmas from the fish family? Tough crowd. Okay, either way, I don't love that font, so let's change it. Okay, now that is perfect. And while Mrs. Chalmers will think this is darling, and she certainly will, we know my son's presence isn't always a present. So let's add a gift card too. In this case, you can see we have a variety of popular options, and you can select any amount. We will do the rest, making sure it prints flawlessly from your home printer. A caffeine buzz for this first grade teacher seems appropriate. So Starbucks it is, Mrs. Chalmers. And now is time to print from our world-class printer and turn the digital to physical and create me that card. HP saving the day for even the most extreme parental agilist. One of a kind, all custom-made, created by you through a seamless process that allows you to focus on the joy of giving rather than the hassle of shopping. Creating and printing with HP has never been so easy. Want to take a look at this masterpiece? Check this beauty out. Right? Who's loving it? Yeah. Okay, but guess what? I'm not done yet. I love this card so much that I want to make it my holiday card for everyone, but maybe just the front side. It's as simple as telling HP Print AI to print me 25 copies of the front as photos. But I think I want it in color. How cool is that? And as you can see here, our HP AI agent is there to support you along the way, providing intelligent paper recommendations, and even helping you load your paper. That is what I call next level support. So Joanna, if you're out there, we've got you covered, and we'll even help you with that occasional paper jam. Now time to print. With HP Print AI, you can unleash your creative designer with the freedom to create and the supportive guide to help you along the way, making sure you get the most out of your HP experience. We are thrilled to offer these personalized card experiences to our customers next year. And so come check us out in the Innovation Showcase to learn more. And for those planners in the room, let me leave you with this. Merry Fishmas.
All right, thank you, Mary. From solving the basic print to unlocking your creativity, this is how we're weaving AI into our solutions and changing the way print works. We're going to switch gears a bit and move towards the office. Over the last 2 years, we built the strongest, most consistent A3 and A4 portfolio. By scaling our TerraJet technology across our product line, we've made products that are smaller, faster, and consume less energy. But that's not where they really shine. In a world where AI powers work, we help companies make sense of all the paper that they have. That's the aspiration that we have. With our consistent portfolio, we enable our customers to deploy workflow solutions on top of our devices. What's really exciting is that this fall, we're enabling our partners, our channel partners, to take our products and our portfolio, which they have today, and deploy AI solutions on top of them. One of the AI solutions I want to talk about today is Scan AI. Let me give you an example of what Scan AI can do for customers. Last year, we actually had a retail group in Italy, had 300 warehouses across Italy. Picture this. You work in one of those warehouses. Your job is to validate the receipt of goods and send them in inventory. Every day, you manually scan dozens of delivery receipts, hundreds of delivery receipts, one by one. And meanwhile, miles away, you've got someone in the central department looking through all those scans, trying to find the right data, and making an inventory spreadsheet. Too much paperwork, too much redundancy across sites. This is where the power of Scan AI across our devices come in. What we did was we enable all those devices with a common scan solution. That scan solution automatically scans an entire stack of documents. It uses OCR to extract both handwritten and printed data, and it organizes it, shares it directly into the inventory system. Think of it as a superhuman assistant who works at lightning speeds, doesn't make mistakes, and takes on all the busy work. Thanks to this UX, thanks to the deployment of this AI solution across the 300 warehouses, they saved 80% reduction in labor costs of manually inventorying all this and actually driving the work. That's just one example of how we help companies embrace the future work. And with that, solutions like these, we're cutting out the routine, boring tasks, creating future where every employee focus on meaningful work. You heard it from Enrique, you heard it from Annalise, that's what matters. We're just getting started. We have more AI solutions for the office coming again next year. Now, changing gears one more time. I've shown you the power of AI in our home products, our office products. Let me show you how we're using AI to digitize verticals like design and construction. We know this industry, design and construction. We've been in that industry for the last 40 years with our leading large format printers and industrial printers. Last year on this stage, I took a big step forward. We introduced our little robot site print. It did very well. It's digitizing floor plans today. Since then, it's digitized 15 million square foot. It's delivering 10x productivity. And SitePrint 3.0 actually is delivering 30% faster and new AI capabilities like smart navigation. When it runs in a pole, it navigates around it. So all sorts of cool things. What I'm really excited to share with you today is we built a collaboration hub for the construction industry to improve their entire workflow. We call it HP Build Workspace. So let's take a look at what that can do.
For over 30 years, HP DesignJet has been the go-to printer for architects and construction professionals to create, collaborate, and build with paper. In 2023, we transformed the industry with the launch of SitePrint, our innovative robotic layout technology that delivered a huge leap from analog to digital. Now, in 2024, we're taking the next step forward with the introduction of HP Build Workspace, our new mobile cloud collaboration platform. Now, architects, contractors, and their clients will experience digital collaboration that simplifies complexity and automates previously manual processes. Customers can intuitively create and organize site observations, automate field reports, provide real-time feedback, and soon, perform AI vectorization of technical designs. HP Build Workspace adds to a legacy of technological innovation only HP has and will deliver to this industry. This is the future of digital architecture and construction. This is the future of work.
Okay, that's going to be a big step forward. It's a huge time saver for architects and engineers that go on site and understand what's done and create field reports. We're talking going on site, taking pictures, recording video, making sure this is right, trying to log it, come back, build a report. So go and get a demo of that. We've actually have that in the Customer Welcome Center today. And for us, it's all about enabling the speed of work, enabling people to move from a digital to physical world in one single platform. And by using AI, we're simplifying the workflow, we're reducing errors, and we're saving time. Another great example of how we're using AI to power the future work. Now, what we've shown you today is just the beginning. With AI, we have the opportunity to unlock Print's full potential, help the world learn, create, and collaborate in ways that we've never done before. With creativity and technology, we have a bright future ahead. We're writing the next chapter for Print. And so I want to thank you for your time today. To wrap it up, I'm going to like to invite Enrique to come back and close us out for today. Enrique?
Thank you, Tuan. Last year I said that you had created the best portfolio of printers that we have ever had, and I have to say that you have done it again. Thank you to you and the whole team. Today you have heard three things from us. You have heard how we are creating new AI-based platforms to help CIOs to improve productivity and satisfaction of their employees. You have heard how we are integrating AI into our full portfolio of edge devices, printers, PCs, and all of our collaboration systems to help employees to increase their fulfillment and productivity. And you have seen, and you will experience during the day, how we are redesigning our collaboration systems to really transform the experience and get people together. All these three things have one common objective: to help us redefine and define the future of work, so we can both help companies to grow faster and employees to have a more fulfilling experience when they work. These are the two key objectives that we have. So having said that, thank you to everybody online for watching us today. Thank you for all of you to have come here to Palo Alto. Great to see all of you, as we always do. And hopefully you will have a great rest of the day here visiting our products and experiencing our solutions. Thank you again, and let me close with a final video. Thank you.
Feeling great. Pull up in the coupe, you know we don't play. Party all night, tell your crew it's on it. We gon' have a good time, follow me, come on. Hey, there's some real good vibes, come see how we move. Take it up a little high like I know you want to.